Graphic design includes things like flyers, company logo, banner, greeting card. Visual elements simply means any element you can find in a design, which include shapes, like circle, triangle, rectangle, any kind of shape, and image and objects. Context or text elements include text, abbreviation, and any form of communication you use to pass a certain information to a particular set of audience. Content means just simply means the information you are trying to make your audience, what you want your customer to understand, that this is what you are doing. Visual element plus text or content equals to graphic design. Graphic design can be defined as the combination of text and visual elements to pass a particular information to a set of audience.